All right. Let me show you some very, very frustrating bolt. There's a little tiny bolt that just fits, and then my fingers have to get in here. My finger has to get in there from the top and from the side to screw this little bolt in. Let's see if I can spin it around. So this little bolt here, I have to spin in. I don't know. It's just luck. It's very difficult to get at. Once you get it in, then it's just a matter of 1,000 half turns. Maybe you can see this, but it's just a small turn, a little bit at a time. I can't believe I didn't cross-thread it, to be honest. But even the sun shines in a dog's butthole once in a while. You can see how irritating this is for somebody with ADHD like me. I like to get shit done. Patience is not my strong suit, what I'm learning. Little bit at a time. What a pain in the ass. One bolt, which I'm very happy about. So, we'll have a look and see what's... So I gotta get that in there. So, let's see what I can do. I think I got the first turn done, which is a miracle. considering how much I struggled with that last one. That is basically pure luck that I've got that started. I cannot believe that I got that in there as quick as I did. That, my friends, is pure luck.